How to change TikTok password on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the TikTok application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now simply tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. That will lead you to your profile section. So make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. As you check on the connection and you land onto your profile, tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of the screen, leading you to settings and privacy. So as you tap on settings and privacy, you can simply tap on the privacy option, and here you can see the different options over here. But in order to change the password, you can simply go back and tap on account. And as you tap on account, you can simply see the option of password. To tap on password, and here you can simply create a password over here. So you can create a password randomly over here and then simply tap on continue. And as you do that, you'll be able to change your TikTok password. So if you have used Google account, you can simply change the password of your Google account and you'll be able to change the TikTok password as well. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.